Hello students, our today's topic is electric potential. Electric potential is defined as the electric potential energy per unit charge. That is, electric potential equal to electric potential energy divided by charge. Electric potential is defined as, and electric potential is denoted by V. Now we will discuss about electric potential difference. What is electric potential difference? Electric potential difference between the 2 points in a conductor. This is a conductor represented by AB. The electric potential difference between point A and B is defined as the work done per unit positive charge. Per unit positive charge to move this charge between these 2 points. The work done per unit positive charge to move between these 2 points is defined as the potential difference between these 2 points, and it is denoted by V. That is V equal to W upon Q. When current flows through a conductor, the conductor opposes the flow of current between the 2 points. Then the source of EMF, that is battery, will have to do some work to move the charge inside this conductor, and the work done by battery to move a unit charge between these 2 points is defined as the potential difference between these 2 points. Now we will discuss about the unit of potential difference. Unit of potential difference. The SI unit of potential difference is volt, and it is represented by V. Now we will define the unit of potential difference. According the definition of potential difference, V equal to W upon Q. Then 1 volt equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. With the help of this expression, we can define the unit of potential difference. That is, if a battery have to do 1 joule of work to move a charge of 1 coulomb between the 2 points, say AB, then the potential difference between the 2 points will be 1 volt. Okay? This was the unit of potential difference. Students, now we will discuss about Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law gives a relation between potential difference between 2 points and current flowing through the conductor. That is, this law gives relation between V and I represents current and V represents potential difference. And this law states that if physical conditions such as temperature of a conductor remain constant, then current flowing across a length of conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across that length. That is V proportional I. Or we can also say that I proportional V. From first relation we have V equal to Ri. Now R is the constant of proportionality and it is called electrical resistance or simply resistance of the conductor. This expression is called Ohm's law. Now we will talk about electrical resistance. Electrical resistance. Electrical resistance is the property or intrinsic property of a conductor which opposes the flow of current through the conductor. This property opposes the flow of conductor. This property in a conductor arises due to collision between charged particles such as two positive ions or two electrons. As we know, when current flows through a conductor, the charged particles move through the conductor. Due to their motion, collisions between charged particles takes place and this property gives rise to electrical resistance in a conductor. Now we will talk about the unit of resistance. Unit of resistance. The SI unit of resistance is ohms. The electrical resistance, as we defined earlier, is measured in ohms. It is the SI unit of resistance and it is also denoted by Greek letter omega. Now we will define the unit of resistance. According to Ohm's law, V equal to Ri or R equal to V upon I. On placing the units of each quantity, 1 ohm equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. That is, if 1 ampere is current flowing through the conductor and potential difference between 2 points of unit length is 1 volt, then the resistance of the conductor will be 1 ohm. By this expression we can define resistance. ठीक है? तो इस तरह से आपने समझा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और इलेक्ट्रिकल रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, थैंक यू.